This is a video showing you how the Cubicon Single Plus makes the layers for the Stanley Cup. It's a replica of the Stanley Cup, and it's really cool. On the bottom is a clear color, on the middle is a white, and the rest of it will be gold. And I know it's not the two colors of the Stanley Cup, but I like to make it interesting. So I'll be doing one tomorrow that's totally silver, and it'll be the same thing except it'll be all silver. Okay, that's about it. Video produced, compliments of Red Rock Video Productions.